Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cox email account, easy access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type www.cox.com and hit enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Cox email. You will be redirected to the Cox email login page. In the first field, enter your Cox email address. Make sure to type it correctly to avoid errors. In the second field, enter your password. Be mindful of uppercase and lowercase letters as passwords are case sensitive. After entering your credentials, double-check for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Sign In button below the login fields. Wait for a few moments while your account information loads. If the information you entered is correct, you will be directed to your Cox email inbox. In case of any login issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, you can start managing your emails effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.